In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove team members from your Asana organization on the free plan. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure that you can seamlessly manage your team roster within Asana. Let's dive into it and regain control over your project's team management. First, head over to the Asana website. You'll want to locate the Login button, which is conveniently situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and it will prompt you to sign in. If you're not already logged in, this is where you'll start. Once you're on the login page, you have a few options to access your account. Today, we're going to focus on logging in using your Google account for simplicity. So, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This step is effortless, as it streamlines the login process using an account most of us have. From here, select the Google account you usually use with Asana. If this is your first time, you might need to authorize Asana to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Asana dashboard. Navigate to the specific project from which you want to remove a team member. You can either find it through your list of projects or use the search functionality if you manage multiple projects. Once you've opened your project, you'll notice a member's icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and it will display a list of all the current team members associated with that particular project. Now, find and click on the email address of the team member you wish to remove. This will bring up more details about the person's role within the project. Next to their name or email, you should see a drop-down arrow. Click on it to open a small menu. Within this menu, you'll find the option that says Remove from Project. Clicking this will effectively revoke their access to the project, removing them from the team. Confirm the action if prompted, and there you have it. You've successfully removed a team member from your project in Asana using the free plan. This process helps maintain an organized team structure, ensuring only the necessary members have access to specific projects. It's always important to regularly review and manage your project's access to maintain security and team efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on using Asana and other productive tools. See you in the next video.